The mechanical concept design workflow is a systematic approach that guides engineers and designers from the spark of an initial idea to the creation of a production-ready model. By following a structured process, teams can ensure that each stage of development is carefully considered and executed. This workflow typically begins with brainstorming and conceptualization, where innovative solutions are explored. It then progresses through detailed design, prototyping, and rigorous testing, allowing for refinement and optimization. Maintaining a clear sequence of steps helps to identify potential challenges early, reduce errors, and improve overall efficiency. Ultimately, a well-defined workflow not only streamlines the journey from concept to reality but also enhances the quality and reliability of the final product. The design process begins with initial sketching and feasibility analysis. At this stage, designers take abstract concepts and translate them into rough visual representations, allowing ideas to take shape on paper or screen. These sketches serve as a foundation for discussion and refinement, offering a tangible starting point for further development. Alongside sketching, feasibility analysis is crucial, as it helps determine whether the proposed ideas can realistically be brought to life. Designers must consider factors such as available materials, technical constraints, budget limitations, and user requirements. Overlooking these critical aspects can lead to costly revisions or impractical solutions later in the process. By carefully balancing creativity with practicality, designers set the stage for a successful project. The transition to CAD prototyping marks a significant advancement in the design process. By creating detailed digital models, designers can refine their concepts with greater precision and flexibility. These virtual prototypes allow for thorough testing of fit and function, ensuring that components interact as intended. Potential issues, such as misalignments or design flaws, can be identified and addressed early on, reducing the risk of costly errors during physical production. This digital approach streamlines development, enhances collaboration, and ultimately leads to more reliable and efficient outcomes before any material is committed. In the final step, preparation for manufacturing, designers must conduct thorough checks to confirm that all specifications and tolerances are clearly defined. Essential documentation, such as detailed drawings and bills of materials, should be reviewed for accuracy and completeness. Collaboration with production teams is crucial to address any potential challenges and to ensure that the design is feasible for large-scale fabrication. Designers should verify that all required certifications and compliance standards are met before release. Overlooking these elements can lead to costly errors or delays during production. By maintaining clear communication and attention to detail, designers help guarantee a smooth transition from concept to finished product.